Hello everyone, my name is Benny Castro and I'm actually a local real estate agent here based out of Pico Rivera, and I hope you guys are enjoying my Facebook fan page, and I'm also putting up the YouTube fan page. And from time to time I'm going to be reading different topics in real estate. Obviously every day I open up my news tab under Google. And something that has been bothering me lately is these class action lawsuits. Obviously I work in real estate, and I do a lot of short sales. I would say 99% of my business right now is short sales. And the reason I want to bring this up to everyone's attention is because lately, every time I go door knocking, I hear these people telling me, oh, there's this lawyer, and he's gonna go ahead and we're suing our lender, and then the interesting part that comes in is when they say, yeah, we went ahead and paid $5,000 to start the forensic audit, and then we pay $1,500 every month. Now, to me, it just sounds a little too good to be true. These people are telling me that the lawyers have claimed that they will strip away all loans. They will no longer have to be paying. They're going to own their home free and clear. And this has been bothering me for a while, but what kind of set me off over the edge today was I was reading over the California DRE website, and actually, as of March 16, 2011, the DRE issues a consumer fraud alert for mortgage relief litigation. This to me has blown me away so much, this document here, that I didn't even bother to get dressed up or look really nice for this video broadcast. I feel that this is something that everybody needs to know about. It may not directly affect you, but I'm sure you know somebody that's in this situation right now where they're going through foreclosure, and they're talking with these lawyers or these companies that are backed by a lawyer. Most of the time they're not even really lawyers, unfortunately. Most people don't bother to check the California Bar website. By the way, all these websites and all these resources I'm mentioning, I'll go ahead and have in the comments below, and you guys will go ahead and be able to look through them and go ahead and see for yourself. However, I'm going to go over the fraud alert briefly. For a little background, as of October 11th, 2009, California Senate Bill 94 made it illegal for people to charge up front for any loan modification work. And that was California Senate Bill 94. And kind of as a corollary to that, California Senate Bill 94 also requires forensic loan auditors must register with the California Department of Justice and cannot accept payments in advance for their services under California law once a notice of default has been recorded. You guys just don't know how important that is. It is so important because all these people that are coming to your door, when you have the NOD, are telling you that they're going to save your home. It's illegal. It's flat out illegal. They're committing fraud. You should call the police on them at the very least. I mean, they're being fraudsters. And like I said, this was just so mind blowing to me. I didn't even bother, putting on the nice shirt, shaving, or even cutting my hair for that matter. And I just feel that I need to get this out to as many people as possible. And YouTube is going to be my starting point, but I'm gonna go door knocking tomorrow, and just with all this ammo here, and it's just unbelievable. So once again, forensic loan auditors must register with the California Department of Justice and cannot accept payments in advance for their services under California law once a notice of default has been recorded. This is strictly in California. I do understand that my videos are international. I guess anybody can look me up, but look it up in your state. If you're in the U.S. or look it up in your country. I don't know how it would work in your country, but find out, investigate, know what the law is, and I think this is very important right here. Furthermore, on the same alert that the DRE issued, there is the lawyer exception from the federal advance fee ban. Okay, so these are the 4 exceptions where this federal advance fee ban applies. Number 1 is they are engaged in the practice of law and mortgage relief assistance is part of their practice. What does this mean? So they're a lawyer, and you should be able to verify them with the California State Bar that they are a lawyer and preferably in good standing. Go ahead and find that out, and make sure mortgage relief assistance is their specialty. Don't get a guy that does traffic tickets that, because of this real estate craze right now in foreclosures, decided to jump into mortgage relief. Number 2, they are licensed in the state where the consumer or the dwelling is located. Beware of out-of-state companies. Beware. Do not have to do anything with them, please. Number 3, they are complying with state laws and regulations governing the same type of conduct the rule requires. I'm not 100% sure what this means exactly, but it basically means that you got to follow whatever the FTC says, the Federal Trade Commission. Their word is the law of the land, Federal Trade Commission. And 4, they place any advance fees they collect in a client trust account and comply with state laws and regulations covering such accounts. This requires that client funds be kept separate from the lawyer's personal and or business funds until such time as the funds have been earned. Beware of people that say, hey, we only take cash. It's kind of a little dubious because there is no paper trail for cash. So, and then at the bottom of it, the very important note is, it is important to note that the exception for lawyers discussed above does not allow lawyers to collect money up front for loan modifications or loan forbearance services, which advance fees are banned by the more restrictive California Senate Bill 94. So there you guys have it, folks. Very important. Now, how do you identify these people? I don't have much more time, so I'll go ahead and briefly give you a couple. Here are some of the typical sales pitches. You can join a mass joinder or class action lawsuit already filed against your lender and stay in your home. You can stop paying your lender. Wrong. That's one of these typical sales pitches. Number 2, the mortgage loans can be stripped away entirely from your home. Another sales pitch used to hook you. 3, a payment obligation and foreclosure against your home can be stopped when the lawsuit is filed. Another lie and another sales pitch. 4, the litigation will take power away from your lender. That's another sales pitch. And 5, the last one, a jury will side with you and against your lender. So these are just a couple of the typical, sales pitches that these lawyers are trying to use to go ahead and get your hard-earned money from you. I think the bottom line and the most important point here is please do your research before you do anything in regards to your home. I am a licensed California real estate salesperson. If you have any questions, you can go ahead, give me a call, look me up, and I'll see what I can do for you. I'll have all my information available on my Facebook fan page, and go ahead, and if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll see what I can do for you. So this would be my first YouTube post, and I'm going to be signing out. Thank you very much, everyone. I promise in the next one there'll be a little bit better background, and in I'll even dress up for you guys. All right, everybody. Thank you, and take care of yourselves.